Behind you, behind you. No, the storm.
You ready? Let's go.
Oh yeah. You seeing this? I can't mark it. 60. It's 2 in the storm. 20. You got that heavy sniper? Knocked one in the storm?
Oh shoot. There's one behind us.
Okay, coming. 2v2? 4 players? Where are they at? In this box?
Yeah.
White, knock. Keep shooting. 30 shield. Got a minigun or anything? Ooh, he launch padded.
He's a pussy.
How interesting. Give me that heavy sniper.
Huh?
I'm going. 1v2. We just can't.
Where'd he
fuck
go?
it up. He launch padded. I don't know where he went. I hear him coming again. He's gonna land on us, maybe? He's down there getting the card. He's got rocket. Reloading. He launch pad again?
Run, bitch! Run!
Oh. Shield. He just ran away. Destroy his fucking launch pad. So he is...
You got any rockets points in this?
No. Question is, how many more launch pads does he have? Damn it, the circle's going to him? He's on top of that hill. Don't get shot. I got a launch pad. Where are you at? Come over here. I'm trying not to get hit. Stop and run. Don't get hit. Is that where he's at? I thought he was on the left one.
No, he's up the hill.
150?
Where?
Falcon, I'm gonna put a pad down next to you. We gotta get up there. Oh, no, hit the tree. 2-1. Storm's coming. Going up.
Did he hit the launch pad?
Yeah, got him. Woo, baby. That was a solid win.